Hey y'all, we back again with another video. It's Tashuanity3LT, and today I'll be showing y'all how to make this Wicks. Let's get into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and detox our client's hair because it's been about a year, which is typically what I recommend for a detox because argue with your mama, we ain't over drying hair over here, okay? So the ingredients to my detox is vitamin C. I like to use orange slices because it just smells so good and it makes our clients feel like super fresh, makes their hair feel fresh, and vitamin C is great for shine on the skin and hair. I like to add aloe just to restore that moisture, and there's pink Himalayan salt because that graininess helps break down, along with the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda and lemon juice that you're going to see me pouring here, that buildup that's inside of your client's hair. So the water is hot, and obviously his hair is too short to soak, so we're going to keep pouring that warm or hot water over his head for about 30 to 45 minutes.
Zeppelin.
So I've got about half my client's head done here, and so it's a little dry on this side, so I'm just spraying some of my moisture mist conditioner over here before we go in and part it. And I am going to be using a 0.5 millimeter crochet needle. This video is going to be a little slow because, as requested, I did want to slow it down so you guys can kind of zoom in on the video, see my technique, and just kind of get comfortable with creating your own. So leave down in the comments any videos that you want to see in the future, any suggestions, and stay tuned for the results. Love y'all. Bye.
Zeppelin. Music-Zepelin. Zeppelin. 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 Zeppelin.